In this lesson, we will learn how to upload G through Fury app, and second method is to enter manually in Fury app. So first of all, through Excel file, how we can upload. So we'll go to upload general, enter Fury app, just go to the file, download the file. So file will like this, it's like this. So by default, there are two lines in the template. Like you can enter two journal entries at the same time, but you can copy paste and make it 3 or 4 or whatever, how many lines you want to add. So I already filled one of the Excel file, so I will open that one. So you can see that this is the header, the top position portion of this FB50 in ECC or S4HANA if you are going through SAP GUI. So it's the header portion and the line item, the bottom part of FB50. So at the upper portion, same thing, company code, type, date, document test, currency. So these are the mandatory fields, and the company, then the line level, the company code, the GL account which you want to, any amount if you want to upload, you can write like 300 debit and 300 credit, and document text, I think you can write like text code. If you have any text code according to your company code, you can mention this. And the IO type, any cost subject, if it is either you can put cost center or IO number, WBS number, or if there is balance sheet item, then you don't need to put any cost subject. But in this case, we are just going with the IO type, internal order number. So this is first entry, second entry, same. We can use text to differentiate. We can write it 400, and same amount we can make it 400. Date, any date, whatever you think. You can change today's date, like you can make it 20. Let's save it. Go back to the Fury app. So this is the template which we made. So you can see the log, success to journal entries uploaded, document 1, 2, because we added 2, so that's why it's 2, both are correct. But if there is some problem in cost center or something else, or mandatory field is missed, then you will not get success message. So either you can open post it one by one, or by selecting both of them you can post it. If you want to post one by one, you can open one entry, and if you want to make changes, you can make a changes as well. Like Anything you can change, whatever is allowed, like you can add like this. So same thing, but you can put reference number, you can change amount of this if you think, simulate if you want, otherwise post it. This is doc number we received. So one is gone. So other one, again we can go open it and post, or simply select this and post. So both are posted, and these are the document number. You can open it. So same thing what you do in FB50. It is the same, but in a Fury app. Reference number, details as we change, so everything is there. So that's it. So this is how we upload the journal through Excel file, and if we want to make journal entry through manually, the Fury app name is manage journal entry. Not manage journal entry, it's post journal entry. Post journal entry. This is exactly FB50. Same thing what we did 20th, posting date this, journal type SA, Hakun, Haka, any edit GL if you have, like we can take balance sheet item, so we don't have to put any cost center or something like this. So debit amount 40, credit amount, we will use any bank account. If we want to add any cost center, we can add cost center IO number. If you want, you can add IO number and this thing. Otherwise, let it be. Same with text code if you want to add any text code. So text code, item number, purchase document. So text code is not there because it's a balance sheet jail account. So if we change anything relating to profit and loss, something in the jail account which has some association with the text, then the text code will also appear like this. So you can select any text code. So you can see there's some error cover. Account is more relevant to cost center because it's profit and loss. So it's cost center is required for this thing. So cost center or any cost object like cost center or order type. So we can put internal order type. Let's see. And see there's no error now. So we can simulate this thing. Code correct format. So there's a F1 budget for this related, that's why it is not allowing us to enter it. So budget is consumed, that was, let's see if this put $1 what will happen. It is already consumed, that's why it is not allowing us. So we can simply go to with some balance sheet item. Okay, just try this one. Let's see. So there's something like, let's see which iota goes with that. That's the problem. If you don't know the exact text, see. So now it is working, everything is there. You can post it if you want. Go back. So we have this. So we already simulated, so now posting it. Display if you want to display it. So this is how it looks like. It is done. If you want to see details, just click this. It will drill down and give you more detail, further detail. So this is how you can enter manually. Instead of FB50, you can enter it like this. So this is the general entry number. You can check it with FB03 or through Fury app. You can also either go to the direct to the Fury app display document or click here. It will take you to the display document entry and see in the other mode, or you can simply go to, you have to copy this thing, the document number, go to display document Fury app, display document. So automatically it picks the latest document number. It is already there, so continue. It will show, and if you can further go to the display document header, you can know the ways, the reference number. T code is this, Fury app T code, so for us there's nothing. So this is a text rate. We applied general ledger view. We are there already. Service for the object. So edit display extra setting. So this is how we can enter it, and we can check in the display document Fury app as well. Thank you.